Hello everybody, welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. I will be unboxing the regular box as well as the premium box. So without further ado, before I just go into a long spiel, if you are new, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and as well as the like button and go to notifications and hit all. Otherwise, you won't be notified of my videos. And if you want to see my face again, that is what you need to do. That is what YouTube says you need to do. So yeah, that is that. Let's move on. So I got my little standard Boxycharm. I actually got the premium before I got this box, but I wanted to wait until I got them both together to unbox with you. So the standard box, is obviously $25. You get a retail value of over $100. If you don't know anything about Boxycharm, that is how it goes. And the first thing I got in my box are the Trio sheet mask set. It's the Tony Moly sheet mask set. And these retail for $9, $3 a piece. So we've got a calming one, a purifying one, and an illuminating one. Interested in these? That's nice. I also have the LMS Superfood. It is the Sika Calm Cleansing Foam. So it's a micellar cleanser. So defined by nature, led by science, this luxurious foaming cleanser combines the hydrating, comforting properties of Sika and vegan kefir with fermented rice water to gently cleanse away dirt and grime for a calm and fresh complexion. I will probably save this for a long time away because I have so many skincare products I need to get through, but that retails for $32. And also we've got the Professional. This is not even the hydrating kind. This is the original Professional. This is to fill in the pores. It's really silicone-y and not my jam. I have dry skin, so this will be going in a giveaway, but this retails for $32. Next thing I have in the box are the Lavish 5-piece neon brush set collection. It's a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. These retail for $29.99. These are really, really cute, but I don't need them, so they'll go in a giveaway. And the last thing I got in the box are the Iconic London. These are the Illuminator Drops. And it says this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. $41 MSRP. I'm saving that for a giveaway. I already own the Iconic London Drops. So let me go ahead. That was really, really quick. I also have the premium to unbox, and I'm going to try on eyeshadow palette, I think, in that one. If I don't want to, if the color story doesn't look great, I'll chuck on, an eye look and then just go through the rest of the video. But let me get that retail value for you. So for $25, it was a retail value of $144. I mean, the box to me really sucked. I did not like it at all, but it's great for you because it's going into the giveaway. I guess I'm doing a giveaway in today's video. That whole box will be given away to someone. Comment down below, what's the craziest thing you have done during quarantine? Leave your Instagram handle. Of course, be subscribed to me and follow me over on Instagram, Ashley Lamora 26. It's also listed in the description box. Everything that's on my face, top, and everything will also be listed in the description box. Moving on to the premium box. So, I've got a lot of things in here. First off that I see is an eyeshadow palette. It's from Smashbox. It's the LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. It looks like this. And this retails for $45. It's an eyeshadow palette that lets you play with the shades of LA. It features 9 mattes, 7 shimmers, inspired by the streets, sunsets, and skylines of LA, plus a full-size eyeliner. How cool. So here's what the eye palette looks like, and the liner's up here. I think I will be sticking to something like this color theory today, but it does have some nice colors if you do want to amp it up, some blues and stuff like that. And the next thing I see in the box is this Lavito inspired by nature grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado age away replenishing cream to firm, hydrate, and repair. Yeah, let's see what this says. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. I need that because I'm 34, gonna be 34, so I need that. I have mature skin. This retails for $40. Let's take a look. It looks like this. Really, really cute. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. I will be using this. Even if I don't use it on my face, a lot of the times I use things on my hands. If I have primers that I don't use, I use them on my hands because primers are usually very smoothing. So here's what it looks like. It smells like tulips or roses, and I like the smell of roses. So that looks really loomy. Feels really hydrating. Yeah, I like that. But the fragrance is pretty high on this. So if you don't like the smell of roses, you're definitely not going to like this. Next thing in the box is the Becca Skimmering. Wow, where's my head? Shimmering Skin Perfector Luminous Blush in Dahlia. So that's what we have here. And it looks like this here. So I do like Becca shimmering blushes. And this is a pressed luminous powder that instantly awakens your entire complexion with cheek popping color. This retails for $34. So I guess I will be trying this on. You don't have to twist my arm. First we'll show you a swatch of it. Really pretty. I guess a little goes a long way. Oh, snap. Okay. We need a powder brush. Anything can be fixed with a powder brush. But that is super pigmented. Holy cannoli guacamole. But really pretty. And it does have that loomy effect to it. Really love that for sure. But holy cannoli, super pigmented. Let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got the Boxycharm Premium or if you got the regular box. The next thing I see in the box is this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. This is a mascara. One swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes. With this volumizing and lengthening mascara, precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. It's smudge-proof, flake-proof, and water-resistant for all-day wear. So I wonder if this is a waterproof mascara. If it says water-resistant, I think it would be waterproof. I don't wear waterproof mascaras, but this retails for $26. I might just give this away to like a family member or something. I don't know. I have two more things in the box. So I have this Juice Beauty Organic Solution Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip right here. So this retails for $24. It feels like a soft lip balm to the touch, applies like a slick liquid lipstick, and here's the shade. If you all are wondering, I will not be wearing this. I do not wear colors like this. So it wears like a lip stain, formulated with the Juice Beauty exclusive blend of an intense concentration of plant-derived pigments from Cape Lilac and I'm not even going to say that word. Cochinea. Oh my goodness. Cold pressed oils and a fruit stem cell serum. Retails, like I said, $24. I'm just going to open it like this and show you how it would be. Very neon looking, very pigmented, but I am not going to be using that. The last thing in the box that I got comes in a bag. How cute. It's from Opulent Beauty. Interesting. Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection. I should have used that for the Lumi blush. So it has full-size, ultra-soft, cruelty-free, crystal clear brush collection. It has 3 brushes to create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, and complexion products, highlighters, and powders. This retails for $40. So it's like it's about $13 a brush. So it looks like we have a really nice, it's pretty soft. That would be a really nice foundation brush, and looks like these hairs are already okay, so a bunch of hairs just like, I don't know if you can see this, but they just fell like right out of the brush, so it's instantly shedding. I don't know, this would be for maybe powder, whatever you want to use it for, and the last brush would be for maybe like it said, like a tapered highlighter or something like that. I wonder if I even have a highlighter in front of me. I don't know why I don't have a highlighter in front of me to use this and test it out. But I don't, so I probably do. This is the thing with me. I'm always like, what the hell? All right, so I'll take this Revlon Skin Light Prismatic Highlighter and I'll just kind of dip that in. It's kind of flimsy, really flimsy, but let's see how it applies the highlighter. Applies it okay. All right, so let's get into the eye look I'm going to do using the Cover Shop palette from Smashbox. I really think that this is a nice touch. I really do. I like Smashbox. I think you get 4 color stories. You can play with some color. You can mix and match. So I'm going to be playing with this color story today. I might even mix these two together just to see what we can come up with. So we've got transition shades, which is cool. I'm going to take this one right here and a lot of kick up with that. I'm just going to run that along the crease and up toward the brow bone. It's just, this is a nice taupe shade. Nice taupe shade. These are really like effortless, no fuss, kind of teaches you basically how to do an eye look in one palette. And then I'm going to take this right here, this copper shade. I'm going to place that right on the outer corner. Really nice pigment. Nice color payoff. I don't know why I'm holding this like way up here. I'm not even using that mirror in there. I guess we could flare it out just a bit. Really easy to work with. Not a lot of thought process behind it. I'll take this on the lower lash line as well. I already had my mascara on for a different video I'm doing. And then in the middle, I'm going to go in with this nice gold shade and put that right on the lid. Really, really pretty. And then we have a brow bone color, just a white in here. I'm trying to find a brush though that would apply it fine. Gotta wipe it off, my brushes are dirty. So we got this matte bone white shade. It's actually pigmented. And I'll go ahead and, actually I'm gonna use this one right here, shade over here, for my inner corner highlight. It's really very pretty. I like this. This is a good touch in the box. Really nice. I like it a lot. All right, so now I'm going to calculate everything in the box. So we have the Smashbox Cover Shot, which was $45. Becca Luminous Blush, $34. Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. I got this wrong the first time. It is $69. Then we have the Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection, $40. Juice Beauty 24 and Wander Beauty mascaras 26 for a total retail value of $238. So Boxycharm does premium is $35 a month plus $2 tax, so it's $37, and Boxycharm is $25 plus $2, so it's $27 a month. And Boxy Luxe is $49.99, equals $52, so it's somewhere in that range. But for the premium, it offers $175. It promises $175 worth of product, and I did get over that. So both of the boxes, I got over what they stated or claim that they give you in the box. But I'm not happy. And that's just, I'm just going to go out and say it. I'm not happy. I don't like most of the things in there. The eyeshadow palette is okay. I can work with it. It's nothing special. I do like the blush. I mean, that's one thing. I don't need brushes. The skincare, I'm pretty good on skincare and all that. I don't know. But yeah, you guys have a chance to enter that giveaway for the whole entire box that I got. The base box, just like I said. Leave a comment down below letting me know the craziest thing you've done. You know, have you cut your own hair? Like, did you take off all your gel nails? I don't know. Just give me something. What's the craziest thing you've been doing? You've done? I don't know. And leave me your Instagram handle. Subscribe if you are not already. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.